Not every job calls for the same safety glasses. The right pair depends on where you work. Outdoors, indoors, on the factory floor. Let's break it down. For outdoor jobs like construction or landscaping, look for these two things in glasses: wraparound frames and rubberized parts like nose pads and temple bars. Wraparounds keep you protected on all sides, which is fantastic because who knows what could be flying at you on the job site. And the rubberized parts keep these glasses snug on your face even when moving around a lot. Also, consider getting an anti-fog coating to keep these lenses clear, or transition lenses to help control the brightness of the sun. Solid glasses picks include the Q368, the 15011, or the 220. If your job keeps you indoors, your biggest concern is dust and small particles. Glasses with a foam gasket lining create a seal around your eyes for extra protection. Look for glasses with a D4 or 5 rating like the RX T9 603 and the F1 26, which are perfect for keeping dust out of your eyes while on the job. In factory settings, side shields are a must to meet safety standards. With so many moving parts around you, flying objects, even smaller ones, can be a big risk to your eyesight. Luckily, options like the T9 583S, the 190, and the 475 check every box while keeping a clean, everyday look. For really any type of work that you may be doing, RX Safety has the right glasses for you. Explore all the models that we have to offer with prescription availability at rx-safety.com. And for more content like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe to see more like this in the future.